Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose System Settings, click on Keyboard and Input Method, Gboard and Theme. Over here scroll down and choose Show More. This way you will see all available ones. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up, and this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. I will go with that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Maybe I will just correct it, okay. Then select Done, click on this switcher next to keyboarders and finally tap Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!